morning, everyone. So I'm super excited today because we are going to start the process of decorating my next room in the house, which is going to be my design studio. So I've been going back and forth to figure out, do I want to do this first? Do I want to do my bedroom, my downstairs? I decided to do the design studio because this is really the only room in the house that doesn't have any furniture. Everything else has some sort of starter furniture. So I just wanted to kind of, it would be a heavy lift to do this. So I just wanted to start it. I did order some furniture from Ikea. It is on its way here. So my room right now looks a complete mess, and I'm about to show you in a few minutes, but what I need to do is clear everything out. I ordered two things. I ordered a dresser and a desk. So half the room, the plan is I'm gonna get half the room kind of put together. The other half will still be in limbo for maybe a couple months, but at least I'll have a place to sit. I'll have a place to organize all the stuff that I currently have on the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn you around so that you can see what the room looks like. Okay, you all, so this is my design studio for the moment. This is the second largest bedroom in the house. Of course, the largest is my master, and then my office is the smallest. So it's a lot of stuff in here, okay? I have lights. I still have yet to get these lights put up. I need to, like, there's 0 ceiling lights here. So I bought some. I just need a contractor to, like, put it up, and I just been loafing, y'all. This is an old lamp from college, which will probably be donated. All my mannequins are in here. One of my mannequins are broken. Like, during the move, the leg just came apart. It's just a mess. It's a mess in here, you guys. It's a mess in here. I have a TV in here. I mean, hold on, let me not fall amongst all this stuff. Look at this. This is just all my sewing supplies with no home. The closet is a mess. It's just a lot of got a bear in here. A lot of random stuff. This also is a piece of furniture that I have from my old apartment. It is, I put this furniture together myself, you guys. I was so embarrassed because as people were moving it and lifting it, literally when they lifted it, the screws just fell out. Like, it's not like they were bending it or anything. So now it's very, like, look at this. It's very wobbly. There's no screws. The shells are missing. I have the shells in here. Like, it's just ridiculous. I'm just like, how am I that terrible? Like, at building things? It's so embarrassing. But these are clothes that I'm gonna donate, or actually not donate. I'm gonna put in my Poshmark closet to sell and get rid of so I can make some extra money. But this is what this room is looking like. A mess. Okay? It's not cute at all. There's nothing in here. So I have 2 furniture pieces that are on the way, but I need to clear all of this stuff so that I ordered in-room delivery so that they just have like a clear room to just drop the stuff in, because I'm sure it's heavy and I just don't want to deal with it. So what we're going to end up doing today, I'm going to put my dresser and my desk. They're going to be side by side on this wall. I have a lot of pictures and paintings and whatever, so I'm probably going to do just a gallery wall above it, and then these mannequins are going to be moved to this side for now. And then yeah, we're going to try to like put everything in its place. This side of the room, I want to eventually get the pack system from Ikea and really make this like a cute little closet. I know y'all seen y'all favorite YouTubers with like the bookshelves and the pull-out drawers and all that stuff. It looks really cute. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing here, just not right now. It's not a necessity. I'll probably end up doing that later in the year. I just really wanted to get something so I can get the stuff off the floor and have everything kind of be organized. Also, because you guys, I want to start sewing again. I have this itch. It's coming back. I'm super excited. So since it's coming back, I need to like oblige, and I don't want to tell y'all too soon, but I want to start sewing again very soon. So I just need a desk so I can put my sewing machine. And then yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with this closet. It's a lot of packing and shipping stuff. we might not even organize it today. I think really the goal for today is just to clear the stuff out, build the furniture, and then put everything away. We gonna start there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you all, we have cleaned this area. This, I'm gonna keep it here until I build everything and figure out what I'm gonna do with everything. I moved my mannequins on this side of the room. And again, eventually we will get the pack system this side of the room. And then my hallway is now full of just stuff. So once the furniture, but at least this room is clear so that they can come in, drop off the furniture, we can build it, and then start to slowly bring some of the stuff back in. So mission accomplished. All right, everyone, so phase 1 is complete. Here's my Ikea desk with the Alex drawers. I got 2 table legs, and I don't know how to pronounce the tabletop, but yeah, so this is what it is. I have the dresser coming soon. I'm likely gonna move this mannequin because I think I wanted the dresser and the desk to go side by side, and this desk is a little long. They did have a smaller version, but I feel like I just wanted more leg space to like sew and stuff, so I opted to get this one. So I think once I put the dresser up, it's probably gonna take up majority of the wall, so I might have to just change my plans in terms of my mannequins, or at least change the dress so it's not like super poofy, but we still have some space on that side. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm liking it. Now I'm gonna do put the dresser together, and we'll see the finished look. Y'all, so it is the next day. I spent last night just finishing the drawers, and so this is what we have so far. Let me back up so that you can see. I haven't really done too much yet. I'm just kind of taking things out of the closet, and I still have a lot of stuff in the hallway. I still need to clean and all this other stuff, but this is what we have so far, and I like it. I like what we're doing. I'm trying to figure out, because the furniture is white and the walls is a dark color, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. What I want to do is I want to try the wall slat idea. I'm going to put a couple inspo pictures. This is a trendy decor idea that I've been following for a while, and I've been trying to figure out where in my house I can use it, and I think this is probably the best location. So I might try wood slats. I don't know if I want to paint it just yet, but I think I'm gonna have it on this side of the wall and then the rest of the wall be bare. But I think the color of the wood slats will match the actual cork board. I'm gonna take all those pictures off because they're all old. So that way I still have a touch of wood in this room, kind of carrying this kind of Scandinavian theme, but primarily like all my accessories and stuff are rose gold. So this room is going to be primarily white and rose gold with a touch of black, and just a little dab of wood. So we'll see how that comes, but I don't know how soon I'm going to do that. So I might just continue to do updates, but for now, we're just gonna see what we have, get the stuff up, and then, I don't know, just keep it moving. But I really love the white set. And let me show you guys what I did so far. So what I like about this is I can use my sewing machine, but I can kind of use this as a cutting table. This is like a really good height. That's my mannequin. This is a really good height. So I can really I want to keep it clear as possible. I don't want to put too much stuff on the tabletop because I want to be able to use it as a cutting table. And what I did so far, and of course nothing is organized, you guys, I'm just really figuring things out, but the reason why I bought this is because I wanted to use it to store my patterns. I thought I had way more patterns than I guess what I really have, but these drawers are really deep, so all my patterns fit in one drawer. But that's fine, because as I continue to sew and continue to grow, I'm gonna fill up all of these. I can really use the rest to store fabric and all types of stuff. So I really like this. I'm glad I went with this setup. It looks good. I just gotta get the walls together, but it looks good so far. Again, this side, there's not too much to it. I gotta fix this little shelf thing. But you know, eventually I want to put the pack system here, but we'll do that later on in the year. I need to, y'all, decorating our house is expensive. I need to chill, okay? My pockets is telling me to calm down. So yeah, so this is what we have so far. Love it. Now it's time to clean, and yeah, let's go.